Murthy, you are one of the few cases where HR person has gone on to take operative position of CEO and COO. This would be interesting for the other HR professionals. How do they aspire, or what happened in your journey, or you have learned from other people's journey like Mr. Agarwal or Santrat Mishra or Mr. Ganesh? Or
I think lots of time in our corporate culture, we keep hearing every day people talk about problems. But we forget in our alphabets, before problems P, there is a letter called O, which is opportunities.
Great.
So once we actually, every one of us would get that opportunity. And gone are the days when you think that as a HR is a back-end function, you are a business enabler, part of the business now. After some time, beyond HR, you want to learn something. Then if you wanted to change yourself into the emerging technologies, I picked up actually understanding the technological changes happening. I'm not a technocrat, but once you actually have the desire and the passion to excel, you would spend additional time to equip yourself with the understanding of the current actually market dynamics. That greatly helped me. That opportunity, once you get, then you know which are all the areas you need to focus. One is the understand the entire business model. Start from the revenue and how the profits are made or how it is not made, and what efficiencies you can bring into the system, what kind of discipline you need to bring in, and what kind of excitement you have to create in the actually team, and so that they contribute beyond their capability. That's one of the fundamental areas where I have focused. And third, generally the most of our managers and teams, they're happy doing what they're doing. If a good leader can identify, and like I used to do most of the times, challenge them that what you're doing is excellent, you must have been actually rated as A+ or an excellent rating. But over years you are accumulating your experience, how you are freeing your time. If you have done these many careers in 100% of your time in the last year, this year you should have 10 to 15% additional time for yourself or your team. Either you master your actually work, what you're doing, you take on new responsibilities or a new topic to learn, or you teach to your team, or you engage more with the customer, you mind the account, you actually look at the more opportunities, or you do some value add to actually what you are doing. Like I met Dr. Arvind Agarwal, I worked with him in RPG Group, and then Srinivas Kandula, now who is chairman of Capgemini.
They were also essentially HR persons.
Essentially HR persons, how they built their careers. Not that you have 20 years or 30 years of HR experience, you automatically qualify to be a COO or CEO or to head the business unit. You will have to put yourself a lot of additional efforts. Understand the people connect, understand the customer challenges, because most of our IT industry, you have to spend extra hours, because if you want to meet customers, then either you have be prepared to travel overseas or be prepared to work in the overseas time zone. So there are the challenges. The minimal you will have to make adjustments, and the best part is the more time you spend with the intellectual people or the organizations, or start associating with professional bodies like NASSCOM or Gartner, there is a tremendous scope for improvement. And then automatically, I myself voluntarily attended a lot of leadership development programs by the HISIA, NASSCOM and NHRD. That helped me greatly, Rajan sir.
So what are the key learnings you would suggest to the fellow HR professionals, youngsters, what they should do? What I picked up from you already is passion to excel, desire to learn, and learning the business. These are the three things I picked up. Anything more that you would like to add?
Actually, I always tell 3 A's philosophy. You must be agile, knowing what's happening around you, be aware of the things, of the changes, the political, economical, social or technological changes happening, be aware of it, and be ready to adapt to that situation. That's where many people are not ready. That's where you lose. And then commitment towards the organization. It all again boils down to the emotional bonding with the organization, or emotional bonding with the leader, or emotional bonding with the values. That helps greatly.
Okay. Anything else you would like to?
I would like to leave one positive message that if you have the will and enhance your skills, keep upskilling yourself and learn new technologies and interact with people, be accessible to the people, sky is the limit for you to grow and occupy bigger positions.
Thank you so much, Mr. Murthy.